check, check.
Just
Isang
like
masigawang
one
palakpakan naman,
sound.
guys. Yan, bilang na bilang natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 44.
Check sound. 1, 2.
Ang dami, okay. Okay,
Sound.
so pamilya naman siguro sa ska
Pantay na
music,
lang po.
no?
Thank you po.
Ay,
Thank you.
nasalta. Sasalta sa gilid.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Here we go, our first song. Come on! Mula sa Tokyo Ska Paradise. One, two, three, four. Ha, ha! Take it up, take it up! Keyboard, keyboard. Ha, ha! Take it up, take it up! Somebody's gonna find a dream. Someone's going off the rails. Tiny boys are going to the end. Treating life as a book on fire. Naked eyes are open wide. What's the meaning of my life? A wise man shout a prudent verse. He is hiding on going up to play the game of love. A pride of blood is what's about. You lost your mind, but keep fighting for wonderful balls. Go get a girl and have some beer. Someone's paved the way to go. You might think it's just for fun, enchanted by boredom. And my fears are going to become giving it up and wasting time. A lonely game of card is dark, collide and win gambler. Wake up to play the game of turn, a pride of life once about. You lost your mind, but keep fighting for wonderful balls. Tonight, tonight, going tonight, for any emotion you believe. Hello, hello, in harmony. Share a dream with us. Let yourself be ruled by destiny. You will not be completely alone.
Take it up, take it up. Ska, ska, ska.
Someone's going off the rails. Tiny boats are going to the end. Treating life as a book on fire. Naked eyes are open wide. What's the meaning of my life? A wise man shout a prudent verse. He is hiding under. Wake up to play the game of time. A pride of life once about. You lost your mind, but keep fighting for wonderful power. Tonight, tonight, going tonight, for an emotion dito, 58. Ayan, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Once again, we are the Scavengers Band mula po sa bayang Dakila, ng Bustos. Ayan na, di namin patagalin pa. Tawagin natin si Monique. Ayan.
Good evening.
Ayan, ito meron kaming chicks
Arty.
dito. Sino ba mga single ditong lalaki? Ayan, mga single lalaki. dyan.
Single.
Okay. Mula sa bandang Real Big Beers, and this is what we called She Has a Girlfriend Now.
Sa mga nakakaalam.
Go! Tama.
She's a girlfriend now. She's a girlfriend now. She's a girlfriend now. She said, guys, on to no more for me.
You never loved me like I wanted you to.
You never love me. Oh, I said I love you, baby. What do you want me to do?
She's such a down someone who's gonna hold her. Hey, she's such a down someone who's gonna understand.
She don't need nobody to be her man.
She don't need nobody.
To be her man.
She's a girlfriend now.
She is a girlfriend now. She is a girlfriend now. She said, guys, don't do no more for me. Let's go!
Shut up.
Our drum boy is
Found someone who's gonna hold her hand. She said she found someone who's gonna understand. She don't
need nobody to be her man.
need nobody.
To be her man. She is a girlfriend now. She is a girlfriend now. She is a girlfriend now. She said, guys, don't do no more for me. Oh, ain't nobody to be like this. Just because I've got nonsense, I shed my legs, I wear a bra. And even get my feelings up for you.
Oh, that's so sweet.
She is a girlfriend now.
She's a girlfriend now.
She is a girlfriend now.
She's a girlfriend
She is a girlfriend
She's a
now.
girlfriend.
She has a girlfriend now. Whoa, yeah. Once again, maraming salamat. Palakpakan naman tayo dyan, Bustos!
Thank you po. Ay,
Yeah. Excited na ba kayo? It's been raining in Manila, hindi.
Pinaulan na nga, ano.
Di ba? Once again, maraming salamat sa ating pangalawang punong bayan, Vice Mayor Martina Angeles. Sa
maraming
pagkakataon
salamat
po na nakasama rin po kami dito. And of course, syempre sa lahat ng mga sponsors, hello sa inyo. Ganda ng setup natin dito. Lahat nakaabanta yung ating mga linery. Oh. Audio center, tas Colin yung trusses, oh, tas Lumilights. Ganda. Syempre, Espro Light and Sounds, binabati natin dyan, ha? Saka Mix dyan, saka kay One Touch, hello sa inyo. At syempre, yung ating main Light and Sounds, no? OBG ba? Tama? Ayan. Hello sa inyo lahat. Okay. Uy. Dami nag-react, dami nag-react. Ay, isa pa. Alam niyo yan? Okay. Ito, para sa lahat ng mga lalaking manyak.
Para sa'yo lang.
May kilala ba kayo?
Hoy, di ako kasali dyan.
Turo ka. Ay, tinuturo, oh.
Oo, may
Grabe.
tinuturo. And this is what we called No Touch! Kain na.
Okay, tagal kitang hinihintay, patay na patay, tululaway na inaasap na makakamit ang mata mismong buko pa.
Buko pa yun.
Kainis laging mintis, di makakis, wag lang sanang mapagkamalang.
Manyakis pag lumakas ka, ika'y nagkakatukso. Nakakabaliw ang bewang mo. Ako'y nadadahil, lumapit sa'yo. Masyado class ang mga forma mo. Kailangan ko ang iyong labi. Kailangan ko ang iyong whisky. Kailan kaya kita mayuwi? Sige na, sige na. Sige na, sige na. Sige na. Pahawak naman, di na kita matsansingan. Kailangan ko ang iyong labi, kailangan ko ang iyong whisky. Kailan kaya kita mayuwi? Sige na, sige na. Sige na, sige na. Sige na, sige na. Babay na, babay na. Wow!
And thank you so much!
Come on. Here we go, our last song. Maraming salamat, Bustos. Yan, Raining in Manila, Raining in Bustos. Here we go. Buscamos y para lima.
May mga fans,
Nung tayo ay bata pa, at ang galing-galing mo sumayaw, mapapugi man o cha-cha. Ngunit ang paborito, pagsayaw mo ng elbing mo, nakakaagin, nakakapraning, nakakatindig, walang ibon. Magkagaling sa eskwela ay inihetso na sa inyo. At buong maghapon ay tinuturuan mo ako. Gusto sing! Maghahanap natin at walay na tinuruan mo ang puso ko na umiinig ng tunay. Ay, naninigas, naninigas, naninigas.
ang ano.
Ay, naninigas, naninigas, naninigas. Ang aking katawan, pag umikot na ang plaka, patay sa kembot ng bewang mo. At habang tayo'y magkabahay at dahan-dahan dumudulas ang kamay ko sa wagilis mong braso. Sana noon pa man ay sinabi niya Lumipas ang maraming taon, di na tayo nagkita. Balita ko'y may anak ka na, ngunit walang asawa. Tagahugas ka daw ng pinggan sa may helita, at isang gabi nasagasaan sa isang madilim na eskinita. Lahat ng pangarap ko'y bigla lang natunaw. Sa panaginip na lang palagi kang may na mahal kita, Roberto! 1, 2, 3! Once again, we are this Scavengers Band! Peaceful Sauce! Maraming salamat sa ilan!
Thank you so much!
At yan ang bandang Scavengers! Diyos ko, yung drummer niya, nagpakita na ng abs, no?
Grabe
Ang
yung
hot!
performance.
Sarap!
Tinodo, masyadong pinalingan.
Bakit naman may pahubad ka dyan? Gigigil ako sa'yo eh.
Kuya, tinatalo yung smoke machine natin ah.
Nakita ko yung 180 per kilo dun eh, no?
One. Ano yung baboy? Uy,
Maraming salamat!
ah.
Oo.
Nagstay pa yung iba kahit na humahamog kanina. Talagang ready sila para ibigay yung todo-todo nilang effort
Kasi
para sa performance
maya-maya,
mamaya.
it will rain in
Manila. Siyempre,
Bustos
Bustos
na.
Raining in Manila.
Bustos na tayo.
Sa Bayang Dakila. Kaya handang-handa sila sa rain talaga. Handang-handa sila sa hamugan.
Pero bago ang lahat, marami pa tayong front act na magbibigay sa atin ng isang magandang tugtugan ngayong gabi.
Nakita niyo naman yung quality kanina ng music natin.
Oo.
Maraming salamat.
Solid.
Siyempre,